in chapter hydrocarbon. Topic combustions. Complete combustions. CnH2n plus 2 plus in bracket 3n plus 1 upon 2 O2 NCO2 plus in bracket n plus 1 H2O. In complete combustions CH4 plus O2 limited C plus 2H2O carbon black. Controlled oxidations. Control oxidations 2CH4 plus O2 9:1 ratio. Reagent Cu tube 100 degree 1 Cu tube 100 atm 523 Kelvin. 2CH3 OH methanol. CH4 plus O2 MO2O3 reagent del heat HCHO प्लस H2O बाहर निकल जाएगा, H2O बाहर निकल जाएगा. मिथानॉल 2CH3 CH3 प्लस 3O2 CH3COO 2 Mn del heat 2CH3 COOH plus 2H2O ethanoic acid CH3 tertiary CH CH3 tertiary CH 2 methyl propane KMNO4 oxidations CH3 tertiary COH 2 methyl propan 2 ol for alkane having 3 degree H atoms. Isomerizations CH3 CH2 secondary CH3 anhydrous AlCl3 HCl CH3 CH3 isobutane. Aromatizations C6H14 N-hexane Cr2O3 और V2O5 और MO2O3 Al2O3 773 Kelvin 10 to 20 atm. Benzene plus 4H2 reactions with steam CH4 plus H2O Ni del CO plus 3H2. Pyrolysis और cracking C6H14 773 Kelvin 6 7 atm 773 Kelvin 6 7 atm. C6H12 plus H2 C4H8 plus C6H6 C3H6 plus C2H4 plus CH4. Hydrocarbons CH4 plus 2 Cl2 direct sunlight C plus 4 HCl CH4 plus Cl2 diffuse sunlight CH3 Cl CH2 Cl2 CH CCl4 CH4 plus Cl2 excess diffuse sunlight CH3 Cl CH4 plus Cl2 excess diffuse sunlight CCl4. Calculations of heat combustions. Del H combustions of alkane minus 26.05 into total number of valence electron in alkanes, kilocalorie per mole. Del H combustions of CH4 minus 26.05 into 8 minus 208.40 kilocalories per mole. Del heat combustions of C2H6 26.05 into 14 minus 364.7 kilocalorie per mole. The difference in del heat combustions of two successive alkanes is del H. The difference in del H combustions of two successive alkane is del H combustions of C2H6 minus del H combustions minus 364.70 minus 364.70 minus under bracket minus 208.40 is equal to 156.30. Thornton's rule. Del H combustions del heat combustions of an alkanes बराबर minus 52.5 n kilocalorie per mole approx, where n number of gram atoms of oxygen consumed. Del heat combustions of CH4 is equal to minus 52.5 into 4 is equal to minus 210 kilocalorie per mole. Del heat combustions of C2H6 is equal to minus 52.5 into 7 is equal to minus 367.5 kilocalorie per mole.